Okay, look at this. Yeah. So I'm opening. I don't know if it needs a face. No, face is good. Alright. I don't know what the fuck that was. Alright. Very soon. Very soon, very soon. Working on you. What do I need? Eggplants. I think it's an air. I threw it in here too. There's one big one. What is something? And just in case if you want to do anything big, why not? Okay. Look at this shit. This car is really dirty. Oh shit, yeah, David sent me a text. Let's see what he said.
Hey guys, this is a defining moment. We can continue down a bland avenue, or we can turn this day around with a spicy chicken sandwich from Wendy's.
What the fuck? I don't know if y'all can see that. She just fucking just crashed the car. That is, what the fuck? Alright, bro. Alright, I'm on my way. Bet. Almost out of gas, but fuck it. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Alright, probably slow down. It's 55, don't worry. I only hit 60. It's actually 50, but come on. I hate when people do this. Actually gives me another round. Come on! Fuck it. Ooh, hey, there we go. Oh shit, man. Alright. Let's get to this house. Shit, I hit the lens. What
I
are
gotta
you?
show you this funny video.
Hold up. Let me close this door. Fuck.
Are you ready?
Okay, what you got?
Ready? Ready? Ready?
Come on, if you're racist and you know it, clap your hands. What the fuck, bro?
Hey, yo, what the fuck, bro?
Come on.
All right. Oh shit. Oh, yeah, I should have grabbed the clamp. I guess we will see if we need it. If we don't need it,
Oh.
or not. Or
The clamp? I hope not. I mean, I'm probably just gonna beat it up and beat the ball joint out. Because if you see here, right, it bolts up right here and right here. This one's all right to get to.
yeah.
This one right here, though, not that bad. It's just this piece right here is annoying. Why? Because I gotta get the axle out of the way. I gotta get the shock out of the way. I have to possibly either pop out the tie rod, or I might just leave it in there. But I've done it before without taking it off, so it's just a little tedious because sometimes this don't want to come out.
Okay. So. Actually, yeah, let me go grab them because I think you're gonna like what I brought them.
Okay, yeah. Let's see, man. Make my life easier, dude. I'm all
okay. All right, we actually finally remember.
Yeah.
When we checked up the car.
Yes, this is the first thing I'm doing now.
That's good.
Woo! I hate that I don't have the tool for this.
Shit, we're jiggering something. Come on. There we go. Dang, bro. Really should get that thing for your jack.
I do. My brother has it. All right. Yeah. So we just gotta take the wheel off, take the caliper off, and then what? Just the rotor, the axle. Oh, we don't gotta take the rotor. Do we have to take the calipers off?
Honestly, no. I don't think so.
No, we don't.
Yeah, because it's not, the line's not blocking anything or anything.
Yeah.
So
It shouldn't. No, I mean, it will probably make my life easier, so I'll probably have more room to get to, so.
I guess we're gonna find out once we take off this wheel, though.
Yeah, but hopefully it goes swiftly, so.
Wish us the best luck on this one.
So these can get fucked up. You don't want these to bend. Sorry for my language, but yeah, I'm gonna put it on the flat side, put it in there. I could technically just tap it out. It'll come out easy, but I don't want to risk it. I don't like that stuff.
Yeah, but ruin the threads.
Yeah, I'm very good at fucking shit up.
That's our specialty.
Here, you know what? I guess I'm gonna have to say do it like this.
You know what they say, bro. Once you go black, you can't go back, bro. Come on. But what you about to say though? We're not thinking too. Alright,
no, I was gonna say if it don't wipe off my pants, it ain't gonna wipe off my food, you know?
Bro, that's facts. That's facts.
Bro, I'm always going by that, man. What's it called? So yeah, I got these 2 bolts out. I got this big old bolt out holding the arm over here. And then I got this shield out of the way so that way I can actually drop the whole control arm. So all we gotta do is just pull it. Cause right here, you see? You ready?
Yep, go for it.
Just like that. Oh my god.
See how much play we got in these. So this one's cracking a little bit, but
I need this.
not too much play. What about this?
Is that it?
Yeah, this one's got splitting here. Oh, actually, yeah.
Yeah,
that is not good.
If you can look. See all that grime and that junk.
Yeah, you can see inside.
And then you can see in the edge. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but it looks a little like there's space in here. It looks like it's closer over here than it is over here. So it looks like it was about to come out kind of, but I don't see how that's possible. It's supposed to come out from the bottom, not the top.
All right, it's recording. All right, so we fixed the beer baiting. I mean, the control arm sitting right there. Let me pull back. It's like speed bump right behind me. Man, I really gotta get gas. There we go. All right. Alright, made it to the gas station.
I'm missing a celebrity team. God with me on this record, this is Heaven's EP. The tales of 50.
Alright.